Hi, hey, this is for cartoonists, this one. I think you'll all like it, even if you like, different things, manga, figure drawing, you'll like this, but this is a cartoonist video. I'm going to show you how to draw a very simplified character, and it'll come to life and be cute with as few lines as possible. So, let's start sketchy to get our place right. This is basically the look of the thing. And I'm going to go slowly, so I know that you guys want me to go a little slower so you can get it, no problem. So can you get that? That's the oval here, and this is the body, kind of a jar shape. Now let's put these paws, because this will be an animal, right over here. And now we can erase the interior like that. So just basic shapes. I mean, so simple, unbelievably simple. Simple, simple. All right. So we'll have a little guideline down here. And for me to draw the other guideline sideways, I have to do this. I don't know about you, but I have to. I can't draw sideways unless I am sideways. There we go. So now I'm going to make this a little higher. It's getting down too low there. If the guidelines don't look right to me, it won't look right. So I really take the guidelines seriously. People ask me sometimes, you really draw like that? I mean, you show us how to draw that way, but do you do it? Yes. I do it all the time. And most artists I know use them all the time. The people who don't are the beginners. So come on, join me. Let's all use them. It makes life so much easier. All right, so here is the eye, and a big one at that. Let me fix that on the side. I think I will go over this with a marker in a minute. Now let's put a big tummy mark here, a little tummy underneath this, a little line for the bottom of the tummy, and we'll do this. So a couple of paw marks, tail. This is going to be a kitty. Okay. So a little bit of some cat ears here. And we'll give her a little nose like this, and here's the mouth. Notice it dips in the middle, right? Dips in the middle, comes right down to the bottom here, and we'll just put a little bit of little line here for the tongue, and a little bit of shading like that, so we can see that it's in there. We float the eyes in the middle, because if you're making someone look scared, the eyeballs float right in the middle. It's all very simple things to draw. Now let's make this hair come out like this, and back in. Hair come out like this, and back in. A few eyelashes. Big eyebrows, tall eyebrows. I'm going to bring this one down just a touch. You can keep yours if you did it that way and you like it. And I'll put a little flower on the side. First I'll draw a little circle within a circle. Let me just do this again so it's a little easier to see. All right. There you go. A little circle there. And I think it's time to get this thing going with my marker and finish it up. Okay, here we go. Oh man, I hope I don't mess this one up, because once you start with a marker, you've got nowhere else to go, but you've got to do it right. So I've got to try to be very careful. And the place to be really careful are the eyes. Okay. eyelashes don't even have to be attached. And now it's all smoothed out. We pay no attention anymore to the inner circle. We're working on the outline that we created. So just forget the inner circle. This is sort of like a dash line that goes above, almost like a surprise line. And the small ears, like so. Now I'm going to blacken them. And the interior. And here is that flower, so I'm going to show a little definition on the outside of this ring. For instance, instead of just going around like this, I'm going to go into each petal. That's a little better. And the hands or paws, or hands with paws. A couple of lines for the paws. And here is the collar, so I'm going to bring it to the side so I can draw it. Oh, almost forgot this. And the tummy marking. And there is your very Freddy cat. Now I'm going to erase and see what we got. What's left? What's underneath? Oh, it just reminds me, doing this, you see, I wouldn't have thought of that. I would have just have seen the whiskers that were pencil whiskers, but I didn't realize until I did the erasing that I left out the whiskers in ink. That's got to be handled. That's got to be handled. And it will be. Here we go. And this is with a thin marker. Okay. Well, a simple cat, a lot of simple shapes, and yet there are some important things we have to do to make it look right. So details are important, but it's the basics that set the stage. So thanks for watching, and I hope you'll tune in next time. Bye-bye.